Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically screenshot anything on your iPhone. Doesn't matter like what iPhone you have, but this is just like how you can screenshot it. I know it says like how to screenshot an iPhone 15. I'm still on that X. It's fine, but it is still the same to screenshot. So you're going to take your power button on the right side as well as your volume up button, and you're just going to select both of them together to screenshot your screen. But if you want something a little bit more simple, this only works if your iPhone, like the back of it, isn't like kind of ruined like mine, because I've dropped it a few times. So I don't know if it will work, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and that's okay. So to enable that, you're going to open up settings first, and you are going to open up the accessibility tab. So select that, and you're going to then go under physical and motor and select touch. Then you are going to scroll down until you have the back tap, and you're going to want to make sure that it is on. So as you can see, the double tap is currently set to flashlight. If you want to change it to screenshot, you're going to just select the screenshot button here, and it's going to screenshot whenever you tap your the back of your phone twice. You can also triple tap it to, I don't know, do something else. So let me just double tap, and hopefully it works. There we go. Oh my god, it actually works. Okay, so I still like the one where you just select the power button on the right as well as the volume button on the left, because for me it is just a little bit easier, especially because the back of my phone isn't the best. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can take a screenshot. This works on pretty much almost every iPhone. That's how you are able to screenshot like your screen every time you're on an iPhone anyway. So again, select the right power button as well as the left up volume button to screenshot, or you can again go to general under settings, and then you can go to the accessibility, not general, touch, and then go to back tap. If you're on none, make sure you're on screenshot, and then you can boop double tap to screenshot. You can also triple tap if you really want to. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let me see. Let me change the double tap first to something else. Let's say none. 1 2 3. Oh, it also works, but I think the double tap is a little bit easier because triple tapping isn't ideal. Oh my gosh, you can actually do it. Okay, you have to like make it so that the tapping is like on the kind of like Apple logo on the back of your phone. It is a little bit, again, tricky, and you don't really have to tap it that much like I just did right now. It was a lot, but oh well, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I hope you learned how to screenshot your screen. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to this channel. And if you still don't know how to do it, you can just comment your thoughts and your questions, and hopefully we can understand. Hopefully we can reply, because we get a lot of comments like every single day. So we will try our best, all right? But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and bye.